Got a class of 30, 40, more? Feel like your favorite games fall flat the minute your class size gets a bit too big? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Adrian from the Teacher Trainers, and today we're talking about something every ESL teacher has faced at some point. Large classes that are hard to manage and even harder to engage. And when students aren't actively involved, they start losing focus and it becomes harder to give everyone meaningful practice. Harder to make them feel seen and harder to maintain control. They chat, get distracted, or even act out. And suddenly, you're firefighting instead of teaching. But here's the good news. We don't need to abandon games altogether. We just need to adapt them. Some of the best solutions come from tweaking our favorite activities to work with large numbers. So, today, I'll walk you through 5 classroom tested adaptations you can use in your next big class. Plus, I'll tell you how to grab some free resources that you can start using right away. Anyway, let's jump straight into it. Adaptation 1. Turn guessing games into pair work. Let's talk about Taboo. It's a brilliant game for practicing vocabulary and speaking through descriptions and synonyms. But if you've got 40 students, having one person describe at the front while everyone else waits is just not going to cut it. So here's the fix. Turn it into pair work. Each student gets a card with a few Taboo style words. They take 5 minutes to describe their word while their partner guesses, and then they switch. To stretch the activity further, have students change partners and try to pair them up with other people. Now I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of cards. Well, not really. You just prepare 10 words and print 3 copies of each. That's 30 cards, enough for 30 students working in pairs. As long as you pair them strategically to avoid repeats, it will work. I used this in a workshop with 50 teachers and it worked wonders. Adaptation 2. Bingo with a twist. Everyone loves bingo, but it usually means students passively waiting for you to call their word. Let's flip that. Give each student a bingo card with target vocabulary or grammar. Instead of calling out the words yourself, students mingle and ask each other questions to lead to those words. For example, instead of saying, ice cream, a student might ask, what's your favorite dessert? When they hear the right word, they mark it off. It gets students moving, thinking, listening, and actually using the language. Adaptation 3. Station or rotation games. Set up 3 to 5 stations around the classroom. Each one has a quick activity like a vocabulary game, mini speaking challenge, grammar puzzle, or listening task. Then divide students into groups and rotate them every 5 minutes. It keeps things fresh, breaks up group sizes, and allows students to practice different skills without the chaos of trying to manage everyone at once. It's like a mini lesson carnival, and trust me, your students will love it. Adaptation number 4. Kahoot Quizizz team mode. If you've got access to tech, even just a few phones, Kahoot or Quizizz in team mode is a game changer. Students collaborate in small teams to choose answers, which leads to real discussions, reasoning, and debates. It works especially well for quieter students who benefit from group support. And if tech isn't available, you can run similar activities with paper-based quizzes and small group whiteboards. Engaging, inclusive, and easy to set up. Adaptation 5. Line-up games. Here's one for kinesthetic learners, and it's great with limited prep. Ask your whole class to line up according to a category. Start simple. Line up from the tallest to the shortest, or level it up. Line up based on who's traveled to the most countries, or who woke up the earliest today. They'll need to ask and answer questions, compare responses, and negotiate order, all in English. If your class is too big, divide them into lines of 3 or 4 and run it parallel. It's active, fun, gets everyone speaking, even those who usually stay quiet. So, whether you're working with 25, 35, or 50 students, don't let class size limit your creativity. Adaptation is the name of the game. And hey, if you want some ready-made materials, instructions, and printable cards, we've put together some free resources for you. You'll find them at inspire-td.com/free-resources. The link is in the description of this video. And if you love what we do here, check out our TESOL courses at Inspire Training and Development. We offer offer both online and in-person programs designed to help teachers like you level up, specialize, and get internationally recognized certifications. Now, before you go, drop your favorite large class activity in the comments. Hit subscribe for more teaching tips, game ideas, and ready-to-use tools, and share this video with a colleague who's ever said, "My class is just too large for games." Thanks for watching. I'm Adrian from the Teacher Trainers. Keep teaching smart, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Inspire. Hi, I'm Mr. Blue. Hi, I'm feeling blue. I'm blue, da 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 da.